We need to enhance our project management practices. We need to enhance our project management practices. I will send you the project brief. I will send you the project brief. Let's review the project plan. Let's review the project plan. Can you prepare the project documentation? Can you prepare the project documentation? We need to focus on project execution. We need to focus on project execution. Please confirm the project deliverables. Please confirm the project deliverables. Let's analyze the project risks. Let's analyze the project risks. Can you draft the project charter? Can you draft the project charter? We need to improve our project monitoring. We need to improve our project monitoring. I will coordinate with the project team. I will coordinate with the project team. Let's review the project status report. Let's review the project status report. We need to enhance our project planning. We need to enhance our project planning. Please update the project schedule. Please update the project schedule. Let's discuss the project milestones. Let's discuss the project milestones. Can you prepare a project timeline? Can you prepare a project timeline? We need to focus on project completion. We need to focus on project completion. I will send you the project update. I will send you the project update. Let's review the project goals. Let's review the project goals. Can you provide a project status report? Can you provide a project status report? We need to improve our project control. We need to improve our project control. Please confirm the project budget. Please confirm the project budget. Let's analyze the project performance. Let's analyze the project performance. Can you draft the project plan? Can you draft the project plan? We need to address the project issues. We need to address the project issues. I will coordinate the project tasks. I will coordinate the project tasks. Let's review the project objectives. Let's review the project objectives. We need to enhance our project tracking. We need to enhance our project tracking. Please follow up on the project tasks. Please follow up on the project tasks. Let's discuss the project schedule. Let's discuss the project schedule. Can you prepare the project report? Can you prepare the project report? We need to focus on project outcomes. We need to focus on project outcomes. I will send you the project details. I will send you the project details. Let's review the project strategy. Let's review the project strategy. We need to improve our project management. We need to improve our project management. Please confirm the project timeline. Please confirm the project timeline. Let's analyze the project budget. Let's analyze the project budget. Can you draft the project documentation? Can you draft the project documentation? We need to address the project risks. We need to address the project risks. I will coordinate with the project stakeholders. I will coordinate with the project stakeholders. Let's review the project scope. Let's review the project scope. We need to enhance our project delivery. We need to enhance our project delivery. Please update the project plan. Please update the project plan. Let's discuss the project resources. Let's discuss the project resources. Can you prepare a project report? Can you prepare a project report? We need to focus on project success. We need to focus on project success. I will send you the project summary. I will send you the project summary. Let's review the project budget. Let's review the project budget. Can you provide a project status update? Can you provide a project status update? We need to improve our project planning. We need to improve our project planning. Please confirm the project goals. Please confirm the project goals.